Parents from the Everytown School District have proposed that the school should implement BMI screenings and for any student whose BMI is within the 85th percentile or higher to receive a referral for nutritional counseling. As someone working within the dental field, there is concern regarding children's diet and the relationship it has with not only their overall health, but also their oral health. Studies have proven that there is a link between children consuming diets high in sugary and carbohydrate-dense foods and dental caries or cavities. Additionally, many studies conducted globally have found a relationship between individuals with high BMIs and a high prevalence of dental caries. While having a high BMI doesn't cause dental caries, there are shared causes, including poor diet, sedentary lifestyles, poor hygiene practices, and excessive snacking. However, as the proposal stands, I have concerns with implementing a policy requiring nutritional counseling solely on the basis of BMI scores. BMI screenings in children may not be a reliable method of determining children's health due to the measurement's shortcomings. BMI screenings are not a reliable measurement of adiposity in children because it does not discern fat from muscle tissue. Additionally, there are many children who might fall into a lower BMI percentile who would benefit from nutritional counseling. I recently saw an example of this in my dental office. A 17-year-old patient presented to my office for a dental cleaning and exam. He is approximately 6 feet tall and 150 pounds, putting him in a normal BMI range. However, it was found that he had carious lesions on each of his permanent teeth. He shared that he drank multiple energy drinks and sodas daily, which was the probable cause of his current diagnosis. It was very evident that this was a patient who would benefit from nutritional counseling to improve his poor diet, which was causing irreparable damage to his oral health. Fillings and crowns may need to be done to repair damage due to teeth. However, nothing will replace natural tooth structure. These services may need to be redone with time, especially if there's recurrent decay around them. Every time additional work is done on a tooth, more tooth structure is removed. Eventually, so much tooth structure may be removed from that it may need to be extracted and replaced by a prosthetic option. These processes are costly for the patient. They affect function such as chewing and digestion, and there's a strong correlation between poor oral health and various health conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. For these reasons, oral health and nutritional counseling are very important areas of health that children should be educated on. My proposal is that students should receive a comprehensive set of screenings to determine which students should receive nutritional counseling. By conducting various screenings such as an annual physical including BMI screening, an oral health screening, and a nutritional screening, students may be more appropriately referred for nutritional counseling. The best way to execute this program would be to coordinate all professionals needed for the screening to come into the school for one day and conduct the screenings. Findings should be shared with the school nurse and health educators. Conferences with the parents of students who have been referred for nutritional counseling may be conducted. Additional initiatives can be partnered with this proposal, such as the implementation of activities that encourage exercise, nutritional education, and healthy eating. My overall goal with this policy proposal is that these screenings may better discern which students would benefit from the nutritional counseling through a comprehensive approach that will not inaccurately include or exclude students.